YouTube peoples, Facebook peoples, Instagram peoples, all the peoples. Today, this is a new adventure that I'm coming to the channel with. Oh, that and a broken neck. Oh. We have acquired a SeaDoo. It is a SeaDoo. It says it right there. It's an RXT 215. It's yellow. It's yellow and black and gray, and it goes on the water. It has a storage compartment, and I just washed it. And the reason there's two here is because I am shuffling trailers. So we just bought this new used Shorelander for the yellow guy there, and it's coming off the double trailer, going on the single trailer. So I have 3 jet skis in my garage right now, which is a very uncommon situation in the middle of winter. Anyways, long story short, this bad boy needs some spark plugs and an oil change. I am going to put spark plugs in it tonight, so I am gonna set you guys up and show you how it's done. And I'm gonna learn along the way. So, yep. First things first, that was easy. Take the dipstick out, this thing just kind of pops off. And then you have the coils and the spark plugs. So, yep. Work them. Okay. Whoop. Got the coils out. Trusty spark plug socket, see if that's the correct size. Oh, it is. It is. Alright, I think that one's loose. I know spark plugs aren't necessarily supposed to be super tight, but these were barely even tight. The back one's a little tougher to get to because of this thing, but honestly, pretty straightforward. I've got new spark plugs. I went to the dealer and snagged some. So I think they're loose now. I'm gonna stick the coils back down in there. Well, maybe they're not fully loose yet. That one's pretty fouled. That one as well. That one as well. Okay, so here's the spark plugs. I'm gonna see what the new ones are like. 'Cause I mean, that's pretty foul. So that's the old ones, and here come the new ones. Okay, so here's the new ones. I went to a local SeaDoo dealer to grab those today. Whoop. Focus. Much cleaner. So new versus old. And just leave that there. So the reason I'm replacing them is, one, it's just good practice to do, and two, it's not running really well. So it'll start up and run. It doesn't have the power that it used to have. It doesn't have very many hours on it. It's got under 100. I think it's a 2010, but the power that it used to have isn't there anymore. And it also, when you grab the throttle, so it'll kind of sputter, and then it'll kind of lurch forward. And if you have it just completely pulled back, and then it'll all of a sudden just take off. So I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but I'm kind of troubleshooting. Spark plugs is the first step. It's the easiest step. So I'm doing this today, well, tonight. Tomorrow it's supposed to be pretty warm, up in the 50s, and it's been in the 50s the last few days. So my goal is to get this done tonight. I'm not going to get the oil change done tonight. That'll be a different video, but it hasn't been ran much this past summer because it didn't run very well, and it had its oil changed last year. So the oil's not too bad, but I want to go ahead and change it. But first priority is the spark plugs to see if it makes a difference and helps it run better. So if it runs better with the spark plugs, hooray, that was a $15 fix and we're in good shape. If it's not, then the troubleshooting continues and we'll go a little bit deeper. But hopefully that's a fix. So I'm going to finish installing these new ones and then hopefully take it for a drive tomorrow. If I do, I'll take you guys for a ride, or maybe, we'll see. But yeah, we'll see what the night brings. Okay, so I've got one in there. I'm going to get it hand tight. I'm going to get all of them hand tight. Okay, so I've got one in. Going to put number 2 in. So the spark plugs came in these little spark plug boxes. Tell me if that looks right. This is the correct one. This is not. One of the boxes, it had the right box, but the wrong spark plug. So I've got to go back tomorrow morning and get another one of the correct spark plugs. And I should probably check and make sure. DCP. Why does this camera suck so bad? Okay. So that's the correct spark plug. That is not. I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Come on, camera. I'm gonna have to get that fixed tomorrow. But we're gonna go ahead and put 2 new ones in tonight. One's already in. All right, so I used the coil to put them in there so they don't just fall, and then I tighten them up by hand. Then I'll throw the ratchet on there and give her a good snug fit. Get this coil. Just snap that bad boy on. Make sure it's nice and snug. And I can't put that last one in just yet. All right, we've got the final spark plug. Come on. Right there. So I put that just to kind of sit there, but final spark plug. So I'm going to insert this, and it's going to be pretty nice today. So I'm going to get this out on the lake over lunch and see what happens. So, yep, I'm going to mount the GoPro to my chest, I think.